ZKTeco, security solution for people. As a globalized enterprise of biometric verification technologies, ZKTeco believes that our mission is to make a better world with biometric verifications. Over the past 20 years, we have been striving for biometric verifications that are more diversified, more convenient. We have been trying to apply them to different solutions. We go from commercial to household, from daily life to social issues, illegal hunting, school security, disability inclusion as times change, and through efforts made by the industry. Biometric verifications are growing popular with increasing public awareness towards personal privacy. Biometric features and data have given rise to privacy concern. As a globalized security provider, our goals are to make best products and offer best localized services. Our security is not to build prisons. Instead, our mission always is to protect clients' privacy and ensure their safety. Our security is always compatible with privacy. In the past 20 years, we have been trying our best to improve our software and hardware in all aspects. In order to best guarantee our clients in the future, we're applying the newest blockchain technique. With its P2P communication method and its decentralized characteristics, we expect to provide clients the most efficient security at source, no matter where they are, no matter who they are, no matter how old they are, no matter which gender they are. ZKTeco, security solution for people.